This door bolt is a stylish way to add safety to your home, protecting you and your families. Made of stainless steel material, it is sturdy and reliable enough for residential daily using. This lever type with comfortable touching and concealed style will surely offer you enjoyable usage. Used widely in the home and office appliance, wood furniture, repair and inventions. We can also customize size and thickness as per your request. Excellent finish, satin, polished or PVD finish are available. Welcome, contact for more details.